In this video, I'll be showing you how to rotate a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, just make a new project and then open or import a video. So let's give this one as an example. You want to rotate this. What you have to do is click on the video and then go to sequence and then go under sequence settings. And then you see the frame size, horizontal and vertical. Interchange these numbers. Meaning to say, copy this number and then put it on the left side and then this side on the right side. So yeah, let's paste this number. Then here we put 3744. After you do that, go on OK. OK. Now, let's rotate it. So just click on it, go to Effects Controls. Then under Effects Control, go on Rotation. This is where we're going to change the rotation settings. So let's say you want to change it by 90 degrees. Just type in 90 degrees. There you go. This is how you rotate a video in Premiere Pro. And you're done.